Hey, welcome back to TRUAXOFFROAD and welcome back to Moab. We're here for Easter Jeep Safari 2026 and we're about to go hit Poison Spider. We rolled in about an hour ago, dropped our stuff off at the house, went and checked out the Jeep booth, which is just right over here, and now we are going to go do Poison Spider. It is currently 1:45. We should be at the trail a little after 2:10 probably, and gonna go up a little ways, turn around, just have a nice little afternoon. All right, we're all aired down. Since the last time I've been here, they've paved the parking lot. It's kind of nice. There's a hiking trail right over here. There's restrooms. Well, yeah, we got the Jeep all aired down ready. Got Chad getting his Jeep ready, airing down and disconnecting his sway bars, and then we're gonna hit the trail. So we're just pulled off to the side. We're gonna let these guys come down. The thing about Poison Spider is there's usually gonna be a lot of traffic because it's a one-way in and one-way out. Unless you do trifecta, and we're not doing that tonight because that's a full day and it's already after 2 o'clock. So we're gonna run into some traffic, people coming out, but that's kind of what you expect out here. Good. I don't think so. Maybe if it was dry. There you go. If you drive a Jeep, you already know mud, dirt, sand, whatever the trail throws at you will end up on the inside. And let's be honest, the stock mats just don't cut it. That's where 3W Autolife floor mats come in. These are custom fit specifically for your Jeep, so every edge and corner will be fully protected. They are made from durable, all-weather TPE material, meaning they can handle mud, snow, dirt, spills, whatever life or the trail throws at you. High edges and deep grooves trap everything, keeping it off your carpet and making you clean up a breeze. Just pull them out, rinse them down, and you're done. No stains, no smells, no stress. 3W Autolife floor mats keep your Jeep ready for whatever's next. Right over here is a pretty good little climb, nice little wall. If it was dry. Right here we got another pretty good wall. So we got, I don't know if it's ball joint or what they got going on here, but something's happening.
this one. We'll see what Brennan does here. So he's going driver. He's just splitting it. Nice. Nicely done.
So what you want to do on this one is just turn hard to the driver. Wedge your tire. Hard driver. Keep it driver and try not to slip.
Thought I had it.
Sun's coming out a little bit. Rain has stopped. We're gonna go a little bit farther and turn around, head back into town, get some food. But so far, the trail's been good. So we're at this little area here. I'm just going down this. What I wanted to show Chad was the far left. I wanted to see if he can make it up that. I tried it a couple years ago, and I just didn't feel comfortable. The front end felt really light, and it was very steep. But I was on 37s at that time. But kind of curious. I'm kind of curious, especially in the wet, how this is going to feel for Chad, see if he can make it up this. I know camera's not going to do it justice. This is a steep one. And it's wet. Chad's going to give it a try here. Yep.
My gauge doesn't even say it.
So I already know I'm not going to make it up this. I just want to put tires on it, just see what the angles are. Let's see, we got about 42, I guess. 42? Yep. Well, it's starting to rain again. From here you can keep going, finish the loop of Poison Spider, or you can branch off and go do the trifecta. But I think from here we're probably gonna head back. It's getting a little bit later in the day. Starting to get a little hungry, and yeah, it's been fun so far. It's been a nice first day out here. I hate this part of the trail. If you ever done Poison Spider, you know what I'm talking about. This is just a long, bumpy, crappy part of the trail. It's a big wall in front of you. Uh-oh.
Asshole. Yeah, I'm not moving any more forward.
So we're not done yet. You're coming down the switchbacks at the beginning of the trail, and there's an optional line to go up. So I went down it. Chad decided he wanted to try to go up it, and he's kind of wedged in there. He can't go forward and he can't go backwards. So we're gonna hook up the winch, pull him to the side a little bit, and hopefully get him unstuck here.
Let me see if I can back up as you're doing that, because you're gonna kind of pop me up. Let me see if I can scoot back.
Ready? Okay, I think you're good. We are going to be out here in Moab for the rest of the week, so if you guys could subscribe, because there's going to be a bunch more videos coming. Hit that like button, hit that hype button if you guys could. I'd really appreciate it. But we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for the support. Have a good one.